Ryan was really hungry frog, and he found 8 mosquitoes. But he wasn't as hungry as he thought because he only ate 3 of them, so he took 3 away. If you had this big number line right here, because it's a little different than our other ones, tell me what you're going to do.
Hop backwards.
Where you got lots of places to start. Where are you going to start?
On number 8.
Why?
It's the first number.
It's the first number, so he's starting on 8. There you go. Okay, how many times are you going to hop backwards?
3.
Okay, well, step on my 8. Turn around. You got to hop backwards. Okay, hop 3. You're going to eat 3 bugs.
1, 2, 8.
How many are left? So you know what? He's going to have dessert later and eat the rest of his 5 bugs. Have a seat. Pick a friend, Ryan. Who else would like to be a little froggy? Oh. All right, Hunter, you're going to do something different now. Now, Hunter, he was hungrier than Ryan. He only had 6 bugs, though, but he ate 5 of them. Now, Hunter, you don't have a big number line out on the pond. All you have is this number line. What are you going to do?
Jump.
Jump. Are you starting over here? Where are you starting?
At 6.
Why? Why did he start at 6? Why, Camden?
Because he has to.
Why? Because it's his favorite number?
No.
Well, then why 6? How do you know? Are you looking somewhere to tell you? I will ask them a lot. Well, hey, Hunter, start on 6. How many are you going to scoot over just a little bit so everybody can see? How many are you going to hop backwards?
5.
Okay, start on 6. Oh, you got your froggy to hop you. Wait, start. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many bugs do you have left?
1.
Thank you, sir. You can put your froggy back in the pot. Now, I have a question. What if I started at 6? That frog was a little bit hard. Can I draw my hops? Am I going to say 1?
No.
Why not?
Why?
No, I'm starting on 6. Can I say 1 before I hop?
No.
Help me count 5 hops. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have left? So Hunter was super smarty pants. You must know how to do everything. Is that right? How many of you know how to do everything? I think you all do. Well, you know what you get to do? You know how this morning we wrote a number story? You get to think of your own number story. But it has to be a real number story that might happen, or maybe it really did happen. Are you going to say you ate 6 bugs?
No.
Can that really happen?
No.
Could you say, I went outside and saw 10 leaves
Yes.
and crushed 3 of them?
Yes.
Could that really happen?
Yes.
Yes. Well, let's see. Who thinks they can help me out? Come here, Sadie. Now, Sadie's going to pretend she's my partner. Come over here so everybody can see you. Can everybody say hi to Sadie?
Hi, Sadie.
You know why I picked her? Well, it was hard to decide because everybody was so smart. And she's the first one I saw raise her hand. But she's super smart. Are you super smart? Okay, she's going to have to help me out because you are going to have a partner in a little bit, and you're going to have your froggy paper. And you have a different frog for each equation, but what's wrong with this paper?
There's no equations.
There's no Whoa, that's a nice word. Is that what these are? There are no equations. You have to make them up all by yourself.
Yep.
So Sadie, she's going to be my partner. I'm going to need a board. Matt, will you give me a board real quick? Because you guys are going to get boards to use as your clipboard. It's kind of like your... Would it be like Isabel the inventor or Dudley the detective? Are you going to have one answer or lots of answers?
Lots of answers.
Well, lots of different equations, aren't you? Let's see, Sadie. You know I love to eat apples.
Yes.
I went home and looked in my refrigerator, and I had 7 apples. So you know what, Sadie? I'm going to write a 7 right there. Is that right? Does that go in my first box?
Yes.
Sadie, I was starving. You know why? Because I forgot to bring my lunch today. So when I got home today, I ate 4 of them.
No.
Sadie, how many do I have left? How can you figure that out? Can you use your froggy? And come over here and tell me. Because if you write an equation, guess what? Your partner has to solve it. Where are you going to start, Sadie? Oh. Where are you starting? On what?
7.
Okay. Out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many apples are left?
3.
There are 3 apples left. And guess what? After I tell my number story, I'm going to give my paper and my board to Sadie. Sadie, would you like to do one for us? Okay. Okay, Sadie, tell us a story.
I had 7.
7 what? What do you have? How about?
7 headbands.
Okay, and then what happened?
Then I had 4 headbands.
Well, that's the same one as mine. Pick a different number. Okay. You know what happened? She took them off and sat on them and accidentally broke them. She broke 3 of them. So let's see how many are left. We start on 7. I'm going to hop back 3. 1, 2, 3. How many, guys?
4.
So guess what? I get to write the answer for this one. So do you see what you're going to be doing with your partners? What's the answer?
10.
Are you sure he's smart enough to do that? Are you smart enough to do that? Okay, write a 10. When y'all get done, make sure you put your name on your paper. Write a 10. Do you see a pattern there? A 3, a 2. Write your answer. Watch.
I was probably 1, 2, 3.
30 minus 20 is 10. It's counting by 10s backwards.
30, 20.
What if you have 40, 30, then it would be, what do you think? I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. We'll have to get a number line. I don't know. Or a number grid. Okay, so Olivia, you've got to figure out 19 take away 6. Do you want your frog? Did you get a frog? Oh. Or not?
Okay, it's right here, Olivia.
Here. Okay, 19 minus 6. Oh, wait, start all over out loud so I can hear you.
1, 2.
What's the answer?
13.
Do you think that's right? Are you sure? Because you guys are smart.
Here, Olivia, you hold that. Put the picture in.
My main goal for the whole year is for the students to be independent thinkers. They're not always going to have an adult to be able to help them with things. Let's see what she has. Okay. And then what happened? Did you eat 2? 2 whole cakes? How many does she have left?
I started and I just came. 5.
5 left? Does that look like it's right? Is your answer smaller than where you started?
Yeah.
Is 5 less than 7? There you go, girls. All right, good job. Your turn, Bailey.
All right.
Let's look what we have here. 11 minus 10 equals 0. I think you might need to check that one again.
Okay.
Okay? Why don't you girls do it together? 11 minus...
I said 1.
Okay, jump back 10. Out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you think the answer is? That's okay. So the answer is 1. Good job. Well, if 1 went away, she would have 3. Look, did you say you have 4 teachers? And 1 goes away. So if you hop back 1, how many is that?
3.
But you have to write your equation to show that. Is that what you wanted to say? Okay, well then you erase your 3. Jalen, what should she put? In the middle. Why? Is that how many that went away? Okay, go ahead. Now if you have 4 and took 1 away, how many did we say were left? Very good. Your turn. I want to hear your story. Do you have lizards at your house? You know, I have lizards at my house. 18 lizards. So were they your pets? Okay, and what happened to the lizards? What do you think happened to them? Did they run away?
No, 1 jumped into the pond.
Okay, 1 jumped into the pond. Okay. Wait. Let Sadie do it. Okay, Sadie, tell him how many he has left. What's he gonna do? Where's he going to start? On what number? If you're done, you can have a seat on the floor and think about your favorite one, okay? How many are left?
17.
Tell Jalen. 17. That's still an awful lot of lizards, isn't it? Okay, 2 more. Their number stories. Let's see. You can just hang on to it, Lily. You hang on to it for now. Caitlin, tell me one of your number stories. Come here. Oh, you want to get your paper so you can remember? Tell me one of your stories.
I had 2 bears.
She had 2 bears. Okay, write your 2. Oh, wait a minute. Why did she put that, Kylan? Is she going to take away or add?
Take away.
Then what happened?
I lost.
Okay, and then what do you write? Oh, no, it's fine. Just press. Now, if she didn't know the answer, could she use her froggy up here? If she had 2 and take away 1, how far are we going to hop, guys?
1.
How many are left?
1.
Can you write a 1? Is she right? Give her a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or in between, we're not sure. Good job. Who used subtraction to solve their problems? Who used subtraction to solve real problems? Who thinks they did a great job? How do you know you did a great job?
It was fun.
It was fun, wasn't it?
And it was easy.
You think it was easy? I don't know. You had some pretty hard problems on there. You had 30 minus 19. Well, then what should we do tomorrow? What should we do tomorrow then, guys, if it was too easy? What, Rachel?
Have harder paper.
Have harder stuff? Well, then we can't use number lines.
Number grid.
Could we use the number grid?
Yeah.
What?
Let's do 100 plus 200.
Do times?
Oh.
Well, maybe we can do that one of these days. How about tomorrow we use the number grid for the first time for subtraction?
Really easy.
Okay, here's your job tonight. When you go home, you make me a subtraction problem that you don't think I can do. And I'll have to do it without the number grid. Who thinks they can do that? Okay, tonight, who's going to come to school tomorrow with a piece of paper with a subtraction problem on it for me? Tell you what, if you do, we'll stick them all up here on the board and see if we can solve them all. Think we can do that? Give yourselves a pat on the back for working hard. Give your partner a high five for working hard for you. Can you tell your partner thank you?